Your event page is where you're selling your event. So it's really important to have a really great event graphic like this one here. Another thing you can do to make your event stand out is add some sort of a custom font to your event page. So this example right here, our event title has a custom font, kind of like a cursive festival style font. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hey, I'm Aaron with SimpleTix.com. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. That way you get notified every time we release a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom font on your event page for your event title. So here is this Texas barbecue page, and I want to do kind of like a Texas kind of font for their event title here. So the very first thing I'm going to do is head over to Google Fonts to pick a kind of a cool font from their gallery of fonts. The very first step here is I'm putting in my event title here and where it says custom. That way I can see exactly what the customer is going to see. And I'm going through here and searching for different fonts. I chose the display style ones so I can get some fonts that are good for displays. This one right here sticks out to me. I like this one the most. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And I like this one. So I'm going to pick which kind of a variant that I like. And I like this regular 41. So I'm going to click select this style. And there's a couple different ways of importing this into your SimpleTix site. I'm going to go with the CSS import style. So I'm going to click this option here. And I'm going to put this into my SimpleTix site. So there's a couple different ways of doing it. I'm going to do it the easiest way by putting this directly into my current CSS file. So I'm going to copy this just like this, copying it here. All right, so now I logged into my SimpleTix site. I'll go over to Settings, and I will go to CSS Design Edits. This is our style sheet essentially. And what I'm going to do right here is paste this in this import. So basically, as soon as the style sheet loads, it says, hey, let's grab this Google font as well. Cool, so that's there. So I'll click on Save. Now here's the tricky part. We're going to basically say to use this particular font for this event title. Let me show you how to do that. So back on Google Fonts, it says these are the CSS rules to apply to sort of get this font for your element, which is the title. So what I'm going to do is go over to the area where I want to change the font. There it is. And I see the class that's for this right now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to add a new class. I'm going to paste this in. And now I'm going to grab that font from over here, hit tab and paste it in. And at the very end, I'm going to say exclamation mark, important. That way it overrides the other font style. And now you can see the change. Now this particular font is smaller than the other font. So now I'll play with the font size a little bit. I'll say font size, and I will say 19px. And it might actually need to be bigger. Let's do 29. And I'll have to use the word important again on this. And what I can do is I can just put the up arrow button on my keyboard just to see how big it should be. And there we go. So 38 is a good number. So now what I'll do is I will copy this, and I'll go back to my CSS area, and I'll paste it in like this. Now I'll click Save. Now let's check it out on our webpage. So I hit refresh on my webpage, and I can see the change now. Now, if you don't see the change after you click refresh, go ahead and do Command refresh or hit Command refresh if you're on a Macintosh and Control refresh if you're on a Windows PC. That will pull the latest version of your webpage down for you. So in this video, I showed you how to set up a custom font on your event page just to make it stand out a little bit more. You can do this on other areas of your webpage as well too, like on your buttons, and areas all over the place. But this is just a fun example of how to use Google Fonts on your SimpleTix site. Well, I hope you found this video helpful today. If you did, please click that like button. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks.